Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Clicks. Introducing the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The most potent, youth-enhancing blend of unique Japanese nutrients taken daily by the inhabitants of the tiny, remote island of Okinawa to burn off unlimited amounts of troublesome, unwanted energy levels and enjoy optimal health. Now for the first time ever, you too can take the very same formula as the inhabitants of the tiny Japanese island of Okinawa to enjoy a slim, toned and attractive body for years to come. Live a long, happy life free of worries about health. Experience pleasurable waves of new, natural energy. The unique metabolic blend inside the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports a faster metabolism, burns away excess fat and calories at an astonishing rate, maintains healthy digestion and increases reserves of natural energy. All by drinking a single cup each day. You can now benefit from the same age-defying effects as the youthful Okinawan Islanders have done for centuries. Simply mix the Okinawa tonic powder with water each morning, around 1 to 2 hours after eating a small breakfast, and benefit from all day-long healthy metabolism, digestion and soaring energy. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is perfectly safe to take, contains natural ingredients and is made in an FDA-approved and GMP facility with regular checks and tests for potency and quality. Enjoy the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for 85% off today. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powerful new formula for supporting healthy weight loss and digestion. Unlike most other weight loss supplements, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder you simply mix with water to make a delicious tonic, based on the tonic ingredients of one of the healthiest islands in the world, Okinawa. Taken before 10 a.m., the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic provides you with powerful antioxidants, digestive support and metabolic support throughout the day, maintaining healthy energy and a healthy inflammation response all day long. All natural. The powerful antioxidants formula to support a healthy inflammation response and balance energy levels. Helps you feel great. Boost your metabolism. Experience boundless energy. Enjoy healthy digestion. Metabolism. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports your metabolism, helps increase fat oxidation and supports healthy digestion as you go happily about your day. Energize. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic's formula includes a blend of powerful antioxidants proven to support a healthy inflammation response and balance energy levels. You feel energetic, confident and revitalized. Digestion. The blend of digestive enzymes in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic helps support your gut health and digestion. Healthy digestion is linked to improved weight loss. Safe and damp. Naturally occurring. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made with only naturally occurring ingredients. It's perfectly safe to consume and is made in an FDA-registered premium facility here in the USA. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Its pros and damp. Cons. Pros. The ingredients of the product may produce fat-burning hormones. The product is 100% natural and safe and has no side effects. It powerfully destroys fat cells. No need for a personal trainer or dietitian to guide you. 100% money-back guarantee if the product does not work. It tastes delicious, and you will feel refreshed as soon as you drink it. Available at a reasonable price. Cons. Not available offline. The website has stated that this tonic should not be used during the pregnancy period. It may be harmful to the baby. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic pricing. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic costs between $50 to $70 per bottle, depending on how many bottles you purchase. Each Flat Belly Tonic bottle contains 30 servings, good for a 30-day supply of the tonic. Here's how pricing breaks down. 1 bottle, $69 plus $9.95 shipping. 3 bottles, $177 plus free shipping. 6 bottles, $294 plus free shipping. Find the best savings on the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic directly on the official website. To assist you, I have included link to the official website in the video description.